Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be creating a chart, a clustered column chart to be exact. So we are going to select the range A3 through, A3 through G3, and hold down the control key and do A9 through G13. So these are going to be our part of our access here, and this is going to be our values. Now we're going to insert, and we're going to go to recommended charts. Okay, and this is a feature that I believe is new to Office 2016, and it allows Excel to evaluate that data and make suggestions regarding which chart types will provide the most suitable representation. So they thought clustered column chart would work, so we're gonna go ahead and go with that. So we're going to click OK, and we got a nice little clustered column chart here. So you can see that we've got on the side here, we've got 0 to 25,000, and we've got the different months, and then we've got a legend showing what means what. So we're going to change this because it's kind of in the way. We're going to move this to a different sheet. So move chart to new sheet. Okay, this was one thing I noticed that some of you guys missed last project, and it was super little. You want it to be a whole chart. So we're going to change it to expense chart. And so now the sheet is going to be one big chart. Okay. Now, hold please. I have a little problem with my So now we're going to insert a chart title up here, and we're going to call it 6th month projected expenses. And what this chart is entailing, you can kind of see the different trends, is the commission obviously moves up as we go on because April spikes, so we get more for our employees here. Okay, then we're going to underline this chart title. Now we're going to add some data labels to make the chart more easily understood. So we're going to go to chart elements here, add chart element, data labels, and we're going to do outside end. So what that means is on the outside of the data, it's going to show the things. There's just a lot of numbers there. I don't like how this is all done. It's just too much, too cluttered. So we're going to filter it out. So we're going to go to the chart filters button. Oops. Chart filters. And we're going to say that we're going to remove the bonus and commission. And then we're going to hit apply. So you can see that we're leaving out the bonus and commission from the chart. So there should only be 3 here. Now we're going to add an axis title. So chart elements, axis title, and it wants it primary vertical. Okay, so it's going to show what these axes are. And we're going to change the placeholder text with the money sign. Then we're going to right click and format axis title. And then we're going to go to title options, size and properties, and change the alignment Change text direction to horizontal. And close. Now we're going to change the chart style. So we're going to go up here and press more. We're going to do style 3. Then we're going to modify the chart axis number format. Okay, because this kind of just looks cluttered. We're going to right click any value here. Format axis. Second. Oops. My bad, this one right here. Format axis. And we are going to go to number. Change decimal places to 0. And close. Okay, so that way we don't need the extra dollar signs. There's no really reason for it. Okay, so we've decided that the data labels on the bars are distracting and adds no value to the chart. So we're going to remove the data labels and filters so that way everything's visible. So we're going to go to chart elements button here. And then we're going to go to filters. And we're going to add everything back. Okay. Go to chart elements, data labels. Wait a second. Can't get rid of the data labels. So everything looks kind of how it was. All right, now we're going to change the sheet tabs. Go to expense chart. Tab color to green accent 4. Now we're going to double click the sheet tab here and call it 6-month financial projection. And we're going to change that tab color to blue accent 2. And then select empty cell. So you can see that we changed the tabs here. Now we're going to reorder the sheet tabs so that this is before expense chart. Now what we're going to do is we're going to check spelling. So do Control Home. Review, make sure everything's spelled correctly. Looks like we're good. Now we're going to save the document.